Now on to the latest in the flood disaster out of Texas as recovery teams continue to search for victims with nearly 170 people still missing in those storms. Those efforts come as new emergency dispatch audio raises questions about the timeliness of Texas's emergency alerts. ABC's Jacqueline Lee is in Washington this morning with details.
Stunning new audio from first responders suggests serious delays in warning the communities along the Guadalupe River about that catastrophic flash flooding. Our ABC News affiliate KSAT obtaining this recording of a first responder at 4:22 a.m. on July 4th, asking an emergency alert to be sent out to Kerr County residents.
The Guadalupe Shoemaker sign is now underwater on Highway 39. Is there any way we can send a code red out to our Hunt residents asking them to find higher ground or stay home?
Standby, we have to get that approved with our supervisor.
The dispatcher hesitant. That code red pushes an alert to cell phones. It wasn't sent for another 90 minutes. Some residents not receiving it until 10 a.m., which was already too late. The Joint Information Center for the Kerr County flood event responding in part, our city and county leadership are committed to a transparent and full review of this response. But our entire focus since day one has been rescue and reunification. The sheriff facing tough questions on the delay.
Those questions are going to be answered. I believe those questions need to be answered to the family of the missed loved ones, to the public.
And ABC News got a new look inside what's left of Heart of the Hills Girls Camp. You can see the office gone. Only a door frame with girls' handprints. The cabins washed away. Jane Ragsdale died during the flooding. Her brother says she called him at 3:30 a.m., water inside her house as she was trapped inside.
I was like, just get out of the house. But I do remember her telling me, she's like, it's already at the bed. I can't get out. I was like, break windows out. Just get out. And she did it.
And Jeff and Tanya Ramsey also killed, using their final moments to warn loved ones about the flash flood.
They were calling because they were trapped and they were scared and they were stuck, but they unintentionally saved our entire family.
Their beloved dog Chloe did survive and was found at a local animal shelter and reunited with the family. Texas Governor Greg Abbott calling for a special legislative session later this month to discuss emergency warnings. Jacqueline Lee, ABC News, Kerrville, Texas.
And if you would like to donate to help support those victims in that deadly flooding there in Texas, you can do so directly through the QR code right there on your screen. It's going to be there to the right of your screen. You can also find this over on the featured area of our webpage, weareiowa.com.